Hello students, welcome to your commerce class. So students, we will start a new topic that is a business environment. Okay, this is a very important chapter in your syllabus. Okay, and lots of questions are asked from this chapter in the board examinations. So we will understand this chapter very clearly. Okay, in this chapter we will cover the topic concept of business environment. That in this topic we will learn that what is the meaning of business environment, what are the definitions of business environment, and what are the elements and the types of business environment. Next we will cover the topic importance of business environments. That what is the necessary to learn about the business environment, what are the need to analyze about the business environment for any kind of organization. Next we will cover that what are the dimensions of business environment. Okay, next we will focus on the micro and macro environment, and in micro and macro environment what kind of components are included which affect a business organization, and at last we will focus on the SWOT analysis. So first we will understand that what is the meaning of business environment. See, business environment refers to the sum total of all individual institutions and other forces that lie outside a business enterprise but that may influence its functioning and performance. It means that business environment forces are the total of either it is an individual, either it is a institutional, or either it is a other forces which directly or indirectly influence the functioning of business organization. It directly or indirectly affects its performance. Okay, so we can say that business environment is a composition of that forces which affect its performance, which affect its functioning in a both manner, either it is a positive or either it can be a negative. Okay, the effect of business environment forces that not only in a negative sense, it can affect any organization in a positive sense also. Okay, so here a definition is given, that is given by the Keith Davis. He said business environment is the aggregate of all conditions, events and influences that surround and affect the business organization. So we can see that in definition he said that aggregate of all conditions, events which influence. Okay, either it is a market conditions, either it is a market events, customers conditions, customers demand, suppliers demand, investors, what are the functioning of the investors. So each and everything is included in the business environment. Okay, so now we will move in the next topic, that are the features of business environment. See, business environment, analysis of business environment is very important for any kind of business enterprise or a business organization in nowadays, because today's era is a very competitive era, and to face all kind of competitions, to face all kind of uncertainty or reduce the uncertainties in the organizations, a business firm has to focus on the forces of a business organization. So he can make some plans, he can prepare the strategies to overcome that uncertainties, or you can say that to avail the opportunities for the organization which are coming in the markets. Okay, so we will focus on the features of the business environment. The first feature is totality of external forces. In business environment, you can almost whatever the forces or factors are included, that are our external forces. Okay, generally in a business environment we focus on the external forces because they affect the business organization very much. Okay, because internal forces, however we can control on it, but on external factors we cannot control on that. Okay, next is a general and specific forces. Okay, general forces are like economic, social, political, legal and technological condition which indirectly influence the business enterprises. Okay, and specific forces are like investors, customers, competitors and suppliers which affects any enterprise directly. So we can say that general forces affect a business environment indirectly, but specific forces affect a business environment, business enterprises directly. Okay, next is interdependence or interrelated. Each and every factors are related in a business environment to each another. Okay, so whatever the forces are taking place in the market or in a business environment or in a business enterprises, all the factors are related to each another. Okay, next is a complexity. There is a little bit complex in a business environment, that whatever the elements they are consisting, we don't have a clear aspect on that. We cannot classify that okay, this concept will be included in a general elements, this concept will be included in a specific forces of a business environment. So there is a little bit complexity in the elements or in the forces of a business environment. Next is business environment is a dynamic, it is not static, it changes according to the situation of a market, it changes according to the development of a new technology, performance of the customers, position of investors and other business organizations activities. There is an uncertainty element also involved in a business organization. So business environment forces are also uncertain. We cannot say anything about the forces certainty. There is an uncertain factor is involved. Next, business environment is a multidimensional. It focuses on a various dimensions. Okay, the next is mutual independence. All the factors of a business environment are mutually interdependent to each other. Like economic and non-economic forces, they both are related to each another. Diversity. Business environments are a multifaceted, they are diverse in the nature. And the last is non-controllable. In almost you can say that most of the business environment factors are non-controllable. We cannot control a business environment factors because they are the external forces. A business enterprise can control only on internal forces, like on their employees, the strategy, the functioning of a business enterprise, but we cannot control the investors, we cannot control our customers. So we can say that the business environment factors are not controllable. Okay students, hope you had understand the meaning and the features of a business environment. Now we will meet in the next class with the new topic of the business environment. Thank you so much students. Have a nice day.